October has come and gone, and I'm here to bring you the highlights from this month. My name is Ben Davies, and I'll be your host for the next 10 minutes as we round up what's been happening in the professional smart home industry and take a look at what's coming in November. This month, we get suited up for the CD Awards, say goodbye to an old friend, check out the latest features in Essential Install, and take a look at the incredible installation by the team at Nucleus AV. I'm not quite sure what the collective noun for the smart home professionals is. A nerd, maybe? Either way, they came together to celebrate the very best from both integrators and manufacturers at the Glitzy CD Awards 2024 at the Brewery in London. Here's Matt Nimmons to tell us why these awards are so important to the smart home industry.
Hi everybody, it's Matt Nimmons here from CEDIA EMEA. We are here at the CEDIA 2024 Awards here in London at the Brewery. We're 30 minutes out before we start. Super excited about this evening. We've got 350 guests coming for this super black tie event, coming from all over Europe. I think it's about 14 different countries that they're coming from this year. We are here to celebrate the best of the best in the smart home industry. We're going to be recognising individuals this evening, companies with their projects, manufacturers with their super new innovations. We just can't wait to celebrate, and we're really looking forward to it. So can't wait to see you there.
A link to all the winners will be posted below in the description. But congratulations to everyone who entered, and especially to those who took home some silverware. Some sad news this month: the iconic Home Cinema Choice magazine, which has been running for almost 30 years, has just published its last issue. The news was shared by industry legend Steve May on Twitter. For many of us, both inside and outside the industry, this magazine was a staple read. We wish Steve, Mark and all the team the very best in their next adventure. This month, we take a look at the future of smart home installations with Cody Crossland, VP of Sales at Blackwire Designs. In this article, written in Essential Install magazine, he gives us the insights on what to expect, a key component of which is the shift from copper to fibre, especially in high-end homes, where fibre's superior bandwidth and distance capabilities outshine copper. It's essential for supporting the growing demand for 8K video, VR and next-gen technologies without constant rewiring. On the entertainment front, video walls are making waves in luxury homes, offering brighter images and modular designs with easier maintenance. So, will we be saying goodbye to bulky projectors? We'd love to hear your thoughts on this in the below comments. And finally, with AI-driven automation, the smart home experience is becoming more intuitive and personalised. Cody thinks AI is going to change the game in the market, but are you ready for it? To dive deeper into these innovations and learn more about what's next in smart home technology, read the full article on page 36 of Essential Install. Software announcement. Watergate, the world's smartest stopcock, are excited to introduce the Watergate Local API. This will enable you to control Sonic directly using your preferred home automation platform, perfect for smart home integrators. Those consumers looking to manage their own platform will soon be able to manage their water system seamlessly with the Apple Home Assistant app. Watergate are also on the search for certified installers to grow their network of engineers. Please find the link to sign up below. What's next for residential audio? Matt Holland from To Be Heard dives into the evolution of audio technology. While loudspeakers advancements have been gradual over the past 20 years, the rise of DSP and computing power has revolutionized the way we design and optimize audio systems. Innovations like audio over IP and immersive audio experiences are now within reach, bringing professional-grade tech into residential spaces. New tools and software like Acoustic Simulation and Room EQ Wizard allow integrators to fine-tune systems with precision, providing clients with immersive, high-quality experiences. To learn more about these game-changing advancements in audio and how they can impact your projects, read the full article on page 30 of Essential Install. Product announcements. Art Acoustic is proud to introduce the Sub CI4-5. They're a discrete audio powerhouse that delivers deep, powerful bass without taking up valuable space. Featuring 4 long throw woofers and a custom seal cabinet, the Sub CI4 offers impressive low frequency performance with precision and power. Its compact design allows it to be placed discreetly in almost any space, under furniture, behind beams, or even low by the floor. To experience this powerful, room-filling bass, get in touch with Paul and the team at Art Acoustic in Essex. Our integration feature. We're showcasing the outstanding work by Nucleus AV on the global flagship showroom for British speaker band KEF, located in the heart of London. Designed for guests and partners, it serves as an inspiring immersive space for brand and creator collaborations. Covering 5,000 square feet and spread over 2 floors, KEF Music Gallery London is truly a one-of-a-kind installation. With key partners brought together by industry veteran Dugesh Singh, I interviewed the man himself to find out more.
So we've been installing KEF for a long time. I think from my journey from CI, it's been a product that we've installed a lot over the years, probably the speaker we've installed the most. So when this came about, I think lots of names were thrown in the hat, but KEF obviously wanted to pick someone that uses their product, not just wanted the job of doing the experience center, but actually uses the product, had experience with it, and is a firm believer in it and its quality. So we sort of started that journey there, and then we consulted for a year on this project with no commitment that we would actually be doing the job. And then we designed and consulted with the design team, KEF themselves, and all the other stakeholders. And after that, then it went into a tender process.
Tell me a little bit more about what's in there, sir.
So it is a really diverse space. I think when every time you explain it to someone what it is, they just go, what is it? And it's not just one thing. That's the most amazing thing about it. We have a coffee shop, which is open to the public Tuesday, Saturday. We have a podcast studio. Our main ground floor is an event space for evening events, and also a gallery space for all the product line. All of that is open to the public. And then you go downstairs, you go through a Dolby Atmos staircase. As you go downstairs, you come into a meeting room, which also serves as a training space for product training. We've got full video conferencing and everything there. And then you've got a gallery space called the Atelier, which is used sometimes for art pop-up events and also for showcasing historical products from KEF. And then we have a listening room, which is a full CI media room installation and a place where you can demo 2-channel hi-fi. And then we have the ultimate experience room just on the other side of the training room, of what we call the hub, called the ultimate experience room. There you have 2-channel, but in form of muons, which are like the flagship 2-channel products from KEF. And then we have a 9.14 subs 0.4 custom install reference series cinema powered by Trinov. So yeah, you have quite a lot of spaces to enjoy a lot of AV there.
That's crazy. And what platform did we use to control all of this?
The entire installation is being controlled by Crestron Home.
Wow.
And Crestron video over IP and audio over IP. So you've got, I think we have 9 video endpoints, 13 audio endpoints. We have a provision for another 8 audio endpoints, a mixture of passive and active ones. And then we've got 4 of the new AES 67 Edge devices. So for example, we've got a record player on the ground floor. You can play a record there, which also comes out another Trinov that we've got powering 10 LS50s for audio Atmos experience on the ground floor. But you can play a record there and then listen to it on the 2 muons downstairs in the Ultimate Experience room by ingesting it into the video over IP. But in addition to that, we have like a events rack that we wheel out, which has another video endpoint and audio endpoint in there. You can wire and set the mixing desks into that, and then have your DJ playing through all the speakers across the 2 floors. We have wireless mic receivers in there for PA, for sort of like Q&A sessions and stuff. I think there's one tomorrow night. So they use it a lot for events like that. So it's kind of home resi, smart home meets commercial, meets everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
Meshing of
it's
worlds,
like a AV integrated's wet dream, this, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like, yeah, we've got connectivity for anything you can possibly think of, but the way it's done is proper custom install, and that you can't see all the data connectivity. It's all been very discreetly hidden away, but provision for. We have 19 kilometers of cable just for 2 floors.
Wow.
Which is insane.
It is insane. Yeah.
Yeah, and we've got the normal gambit of stuff as well that you find in high resi, like full HVAC control, controlling all the FCUs, two-end door entry, touch panels to see that on. We've got circadian rhythm control for lighting. So
Wow.
we've got DT8, DALI D Type 8 controls, which Crestron can't do natively, but they've managed to do through software. So we've got full circadian rhythm tracking throughout the day, Crestron shading, Crestron curtain track, future automation lifts being controlled by that. Yeah, the full thing that you normally have.
This is a crazy project. And if I wanted to go and see it, whereabouts in central London am I heading to? And can I go any time pretty much? Or should I call ahead to get the real grand tour?
Yeah, you can go anytime Tuesday, Saturday. If you want the grand tour, call ahead, send them an email, go to their website, make a booking, and then you're allowed sort of downstairs and get a proper experience and a proper tour. But if you need to pop in or just work from somewhere between meetings, they're quite happy for the whole community to use it. Sit there in the coffee shop, there's free Wi-Fi, grab a coffee, nicer place to sit than Starbucks, or even have a meeting with a client, right? At least you're
100%.
trying to talk about AV in an AV environment rather than Starbucks with a load of university students.
Well, Dagesh, that's perfect. That's exactly what we need. Thank you, mate. Really appreciate it. Finally, a big happy birthday to Cornflake. Celebrating 40 years in the industry, a pioneering company that many integrators have looked up to. Cornflake started as an audio retailer in 1984 and is now a multi-award-winning audiovisual, home automation and home cinema specialist. It's a huge achievement to build such a well-known brand, and we hope you all had a great party to celebrate. Next month, we will be taking a deep dive into the L-Acoustics new showroom and following up on some of the winning projects from the latest CD Awards. This channel has been curated by Essential Install magazine and is here to serve the professional smart home community. The description below is where you can explore our stories further, and each month we'll find the upcoming training across the industry so you don't have to. If you want to be featured in our next newscast, send your press release to press@summedia.com. See you next time.